Hey, it's Berta J, and you are back in my kitchen with me today to do something I found out about quite by accident. You know, I've talked about my sisters. I have this other sister that shared with me this product. It's called Be Fruitful. And that's strawberry. This is mango. And there are 4 of these. Besides strawberry and mango, there's also pineapple and apple. Now, I haven't been able to find the pineapple and apple, so I'm going to let you know what I think of these. I'm sure those would be delicious as well. Here's the deal with this. These are freeze-dried. The only ingredient, if it says strawberry on the front, the ingredients, strawberries. You get this whole package. If you eat all of those, 60 calories, no fat. 7 grams of sugar. Why? Because strawberries are sweet. There's no added sugar. 60 calories, guys. If you want to have a sweet treat, I'm telling you, this is the way to go. And they're freeze-dried. Listen to the snap. So you get all of that. Now I'm going to pour out the mango. Not as many mangoes, because look at this fat one right here. Ingredients, mangoes. And same thing, no fat, no sodium, no cholesterol, and a little bit more of sugar because mangoes are a little bit sweeter than strawberries. But you could eat all of this, still 60 calories. Are you wondering where you can find them? Sit yourself down because you won't believe this. The Dollar Tree. Go to your nearest Dollar Tree and you will be able to find Be Fruitful. I don't know which ones they'll have at your Dollar Tree. They're not paying me anything for this. But to know that I could have a little sweet treat after a meal, or to take these along with me in my bag so that I could have something to eat and I know I'd still be doing something healthy for my body. Grab a bag of Be Fruitful, all fruit. Okay, I'm going to eat strawberry. I'll eat 2 strawberries. The thing with this is freeze-dried, you chew on it, and it just sort of explodes in your mouth into like a puff. But the taste is left. There's a little bit of the strawberry left for you to chew on a little bit more. Definitely get those seeds. I'll do a piece of mango. Oh my goodness. This is really good. And I just wanted to bring them to you because my sister told me about them, and they are delicious. So until the next time and the next video, because this one is done, don't forget to subscribe, forget to click on the bell, and don't forget to leave me some comments below. Until next time, troopers, bye for now. That's really sweet.